Valley GMC in Auburn, and I am so excited to announce that the 2025 GMC 2500 has landed. Yes, it is a 2025. It is here and available, and it is the Denali Ultimate, the Mac Daddy of them all. So this one has the onyx black exterior. You got the multi-pro tailgate back there. This is a standard bed. Absolutely gorgeous. You're gonna have the retractable assist steps here. Let me just unlock and show you the gorgeous interior of these Denali Ultimates. It does not get any better. Fully loaded. All the details. The quality of this truck is, you just can't beat it. It is just absolutely stunning. It's here and available again for the 5th time. 2025 here and available. Call, text, email. Come see me, Hilary, here at Valley GMC. I would love to meet and work with you.